Indian History MCQ General Knowledge by History Learning. Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born in the year 570 AD, 622 AD, 632 AD, 570 BC. The correct answer is 570 AD. Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. He shifted from to Medina in 622. This year is known as Hijri Samwat. Genghis Khan invaded India in the year 1221. He was from Turkey, Mongolia, Iran, Iraq. The correct answer is Mongolia. He attacked during the period of Delhi Sultan Iltutmish. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? A.O. Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji, W.C. Banerjee, J.C. Bose. The correct answer is W.C. Banerjee. He was the first president in the first session of Indian National Congress held in Bombay in the year 1885. Amir Khusro was the eminent court poet of Babur, Alauddin Khilji, Sikandar Lodi and Jahangir. The correct answer is Alauddin Khilji. Early Aryan earned their living mainly by hunting, trading, manufacturing, agriculture. The correct answer is agriculture. The eminent saint Sheikh Salim Chishti lived at Fatehpur Sikri, Ajmer, Allahabad, Delhi. The answer is Fatehpur Sikri. Name the oldest dynasty of India from the following: Andhra, Satavahanas, Nandas, Vardhanas, Guptas. The answer is Nandas. This was the dynasty overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya. At the time of India's independence, the British PM was Harold Laski, Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee, Anthony Eden. The correct answer is Clement Attlee. He was related to Labour Party. The great poet of medieval period, Tulsidas, was contemporary of Humayun, Akbar, Babur, none of these. The answer is Akbar. Tulsidas was the writer of Ramcharitmanas. The last Sultan of Delhi Sultanate was Daulat Khan Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, none of these. The answer is Ibrahim Lodi. He was defeated by Babur in Third Battle of Panipat. Grand Trunk Road (GT Road) was built by Lord Curzon, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashok the Great, Sher Shah Suri. The answer is Chandragupta Maurya, but it was rebuilt by Sher Shah Suri. The Sultan of Delhi, who was described as mixture of opposites by the historian, was Bahlol Lodi, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Iltutmish. The answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He is remembered as mixture of opposites. In India, the first Governor General of East India Company from the following was Lord Canning, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings. The answer is Warren Hastings. Identify the name of the first president of Indian National Congress: Surendranath Banerjee, W.C. Banerjee, A.O. Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji. The answer is W.C. Banerjee. He was the first Governor General of Bengal. The Ajanta paintings belong to the Gupta period, Harappan period, Mauryan period, none of this. The answer is Gupta period. Thank you.